Welcome to Basic Tech for students, teachers, and math education. This is our series on basic math. Today we shall be discussing multiples of a number. What is a multiple of a number? It is a result of multiplying the original number by integers. Now, what are integers? An integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or zero. Some examples of integers are -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the list goes on. So for us to find the multiple of a number, we have to multiply the number by integer. For example, by 1, 2, 3, and the list goes on. So let's look at an example. What are the multiples of 4? So the first thing we do is to multiply this original number by integer. In this case, we are not given the number of multiples. So we can choose any integer to multiply this number 4. So for this example, I'll be using 2, 4, 6, and 8 as my integers. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 times 8 is 32. So therefore, the integers of 4 are 8, 16, 24, 32, and the list goes on. Let's look at a next distinct example. In this case, we're asked to find or write the first 7 multiples of 12. So again, we multiply 12 by integers. In this case, the first 7. So we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. And 12 times 7 is 84. So these are the multiples, or the first 7 multiples of 12. So therefore, the first 7 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, and 84. So this is how we find the multiples of any number. Here is a question for you. So find the first 5 multiples of the following numbers, 8 and 15. Please do this and leave your answers in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.